Hello, it's Southern Belle. I started off my channel with a purse video showing you my purse shame. So I decided that maybe since I'm almost at 700 subscribers, I should be humble and maybe reveal a little bit more of my shame. So if you've heard me during auctions talk about my internet problems, talk about my roof leaking, I thought I would show you what's been going on. Well, it's not only just leaking, but now the ceiling has come caving down in part of it. So it's gotten a little bit more serious. I'm still okay though. I'm still making it through. I'm still trusting God. I'm still saving my pennies from the auction and still trying to get estimates on my roof. But I did think that I would show y'all one little silver lining. And you're saying, Belle, this is awful. Leaking roof, having to try to catch the water as it comes through. Now the ceiling is broken through, so even when the roof is fixed, you're still going to have this ugly part just falling out of the ceiling. So I thought I'd show you the one little silver lining, and maybe it'll give you a smile or a chuckle, or it will just remind you that God is still good, and even in awful times, that sometimes there's a little silver lining. And and this is not the only leak in the house. This is just the only one that has a silver lining. So here's the leak, here's the hole. Let me show you where it is in the house. You ready? I am blessed that it is in the bathroom, so that when it leaks, it falls into the tub and goes down the drain. Anywhere else, it would have to be caught in buckets, and then those buckets would have to be emptied. So the one little silver lining is that it is above the tub. And boy, is it doing a number on my tub. But still, way better than the rooms where I've got buckets and such going on. Well, y'all keep me in my prayers, and still I say, laissez bon temps rouler. Let the good times roll, because there is still joy to be had, still inspiration, still motivation. There is still laughter and smiles, even in the hard times. May God bless y'all, and bye-bye.